Garvin Industries manufactures a wide variety of switch boxes that are used with non-metallic sheath cable. G601-R is 2.5 inches deep. G602-R is 2 3/4 inches deep. G603-R is 3 1/2 inches deep. All of those particular boxes have standard plaster ears for old work switch box retrofit situations and 1/2-inch conduit knockouts on each of the long sides as well as the end, and one in the bottom. These particular boxes also have clamps pre-installed in the bottom for installing non-metallic sheath cable like the example we have here. When your conductor or non-metallic sheath cable is pulled through the wall, you simply take the box and remove one of the set tabs with a flathead screwdriver, quickly and easily prying it back like so. This removes the tab and allows the installer to take the non-metallic sheath cable and place it inside the box and through the pre-installed clamp. So the conductors are now inside the switch box. In the middle of the clamp, as you can see, there's a set screw. You simply take your screw gun, tighten that set screw, and the cable is securely and safely installed in the electrical box. At this point, you're ready to strip your wires, align the box with the hole you've cut in the drywall, and simply slide it in place for a quick and secure installation each and every time. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.